the political fight that seems to be taking place over Prajwal Revanna and the alleged sexual assault case. The Samajwadi Party has also waded into the matter and has demanded the strictest possible punishment for Prajwal Revanna. Let's listen in.
लीगल प्रोसीडिंग वो आगे बढ़ रही हैं, वापस आए हैं, देश में न्यायपालिका है, न्यायपालिका का सामना कर रहे हैं, ये अच्छी बात है। और जो भी इसमें दोषी है उसको सजा मिलेगी। अभी ये विवेचना का विषय है, एसआईटी उसमें जांच कर रही है और जो चार्जशीट फाइल होगी उसके बाद कानूनी प्रक्रिया है वो आगे बढ़ेगी। समाजवादी पार्टी समझती है कि दोषियों को सजा मिले, सख्त से सख्त सजा मिले, ऐसी हरकत दोबारा कोई ना कर पाए, ऐसा समाजवादी पार्टी चाहती है और संविधान कानून के अनुसार उनको सजा मिलनी चाहिए।
Right, we have Deepak like with us as well. Deepak, on the ongoing political fight that is ensued, we are looking at a lot of movement that as the hospital medical checkup, thereafter he will be produced before the court. We are looking at a lengthy process till the time he actually gets in the custody of SIT.
Well, it could happen in the next half an hour or so because, you know, the medical check has been done. Imran, of course, bringing us those live updates from the Bowring Hospital, and we've been told that the convoy has moved. There was a little bit of information that it could possibly happen in the second half of the day, but right now with the kind of movement that we're looking at, you can see all over there are policemen here who've been deployed at the gate. There are ropes that are being used to ensure that while the convoy passes, there is not too many people who gather around or vehicular movement. This is, of course, a busy day in court. And there is information that's being passed on to some of the senior officials about the convoy and where exactly it is. And any moment now, we are expecting, you know, Prajwal Revanna to be brought here. So definitely after he's brought here, it's a matter of about 15 minutes to half an hour, before which, of course, the magistrate hears the plea from the SIT. And, you know, we are expecting, of course, for him to be initially sent to the custody of the police or the SIT in this case. And the police, of course, after that will seek further permissions for, like what Imran was pointing out, a potency test to be conducted, for him to be taken to Hassan for a Mazar, and various other formalities and collection of evidence that's required in this particular case.